Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to install IntelliJ IDE on your MacBook, whether you are using it for Java, Kotlin or any other framework. Before we going to download or install it IntelliJ IDE, we need to make sure the Java must be installed on your system. So let me show you. On my system, Java is already installed. I can type here Java minus minus version. Then you will see on my system Java 22 is installed. Then we can open the browser and we can just type the download IntelliJ IDE. Then you will see the first JetBeans website. You can click it. You can close these cookies or accept it. So you will see the first version is ultimate, which is paid, so do not download it. Now we can move little bit down. Then you will see IntelliJ IDE Community Edition. So this is a open source free version. So before clicking on any download button, you need to make sure your MacBook have which kind of chip. So there are two versions to download here. One is Apple Silicon and second chip is Intel. So how you can make sure that you can click on this Apple icon and then click on the system settings. Then click on about. Then you will find out the chip name, the Apple M1 Pro. So according to that, you need to download Apple Silicon, this option, this version, and who has the Intel chip, they can download this one. So I'm clicking on this one. It will take around 9 minutes. Till that we can wait. It has been downloaded. Let's click on show in Finder. Just double click on this .dmg file. Drag and drop the IntelliJ IDE icon into the application folder, this one. Now go to application and double click on IntelliJ IDE to launch it. Now go to the application launchpad and just scroll left, double click on IntelliJ icon to launch it. You need to confirm the license. I can check the checkbox and just continue. If you do not want to share your data, then just click on don't send. It will ask you some permissions. If you are set up IntelliJ IDE first time, then allow it. If you want Visual Studio Code and cursor on your system, then you can choose this option. Otherwise, skip import. IntelliJ installation has been finished, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.